Today is August 17th. We're here at Hildebrand Machinery Company. We're going to do a video of our four spindle Ibarmia drill. This machine is currently powered up, wired for 3-phase 440 volts. We'll run through some speeds and feeds and functions and go from there. As always, if there are any questions at the end of any video, please feel free to visit our website, hildebrandmachinery.com. You can find all of our contact information. Be happy to talk to anybody. Feel free to send us an email or give us a call. The first thing to note is these two heads right here. If you're looking at the front of the machine, these would be the two right side heads. If you split it in half, they are forward only. They do have reverse buttons, but they do not have starters for reverse. So they are forward only. These two function in forward and reverse, as we'll show you. And we'll just do a walk around here. This is the up and down portion for each unit, each head. The other important note is that this is the right side head again. This is missing the internal pieces, or at least the internal gear, to advance the head forward, and the crank portion there. It's really just probably a straight gear, probably not an end of the world kind of thing to fix, but you know, as you see, it's just not there. So fairly heavy duty drill for just a simple 4-spindle drill. Let's start over here on the right. Engaging the power feed. And there he's changing the speeds. Slow. Speed it up to get down to the kick out. And that's the kick out. So that was what, 1136? Yeah, okay, that was 1136 you just saw. That should be 259. Where he's at there, that should be 541 RPM. That was 1623 briefly, and now we're back to 180. It's color coded with the handles. The colors are worn, they're faded over time, but
they should probably be low here. 86.
That would be 86. No. Yeah, 80. That's 86.
This is probably 26.
Sorry, we're not correct on that. Oh, we're in blue, that's why. Sorry.
Oh, yeah.
We're getting our colors confused.
That should be it.
There we go. Okay.
This is how you adjust your height.
Okay. Let's move on to the next head. That's 1623. This one's on high speed right now. $776. Power feed. Kick out.
Should be 379.
That would have been 259. This is 541.
That should be 180.
180. 86. And 126. Okay, moving on to the next head. We're starting off there. That's 776 RPM. No chuck in this one, so it's hard to see the spindle running. We'll adjust the kick out down here. It's 1136.
Should be 379.
We're on 379. And there's reverse. $86, $126. Again, sorry there's no chuck in there, you can't see the spindle, but you can hear everything going on there. So, okay, moving on to the last head.
180.
This will be 180 RPM. Oops, sorry. Spindle moving.
$86.
126. Now that'll be 379. $259. 541.
This one.
Adjusting the feed there. Oh, we ran out of travel there. There is something of a lag. It seems it pulls that stop down pretty far. I wouldn't call it a lag. It's just a matter of the adjustment. Just it's not exactly, well, I guess maybe when that line comes down to the, oh no. you'll have to play with the feet. I mean, the kickouts obviously work. It's just a matter of where they're timed to go in. So let's.
High. So this is 1623.
So there's 1623.
You can see it's running this way, and this is reverse.
Let's do that one more time. So you have forward and reverse on this head too. That's what 776 is. Okay, last speed. And that is 1136. Okay.
Coolant pump does work.
That's our coolant pump back there. Okay. If there are any questions, please feel free to contact us.